Whatever you can get, you take. 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 ḥabibullah. The one who works hard and earns an income is beloved to Allah. It's not humiliating. Hard work is never humiliating. Now, just on that side note, I go out of my way, especially when I travel to the Muslim world, I go out of my way if I take a cab or a limo or anything else to make sure I get to know the driver. And to make sure I get to remind them that what they do is very honorable and noble. Because this is actually a sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, to remind people that do hard work, that they are honored by Allah. You know what's happened in many of our cultures? The driver, the waiter, the cleaner, these people, they're treated like trash. Like they have no respect in society. The opposite is true in our deen. Musa ﷺ is saying, whatever job you get me, whatever provision you provide me, I'm not going to be picky. That's a gift from Allah. Rizq is a gift from Allah. A job is a gift from Allah. So now, this is why our deen is so beautiful. The guy who collects the trash, the guy who's cleaning up the bathrooms, all of these people are dignified people because they work hard to provide for their families. They are in fact kasib, and therefore they are habibullah, they're beloved to Allah. And how can they be beloved to Allah and despised by us? How can we look down on someone who Allah loves?